Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my YouTube channel. And today we're going to do a really cool unboxing, okay? And this unboxing is going to be a power supply. A power supply I got on sale at a discount. And if you've seen any of my videos, you will realize that I got a GPU, graphics card, and because I have an older Omniplex, the power supply wasn't powerful enough. So you don't always have to have a brand new power supply and everything to put in a graphics card that is going to be, beneficial to you, okay, and that you can actually use for gaming, okay. But for some graphics cards, once you get up to the big boys, yeah, you're gonna have to put in a new, power supply, okay? And that is what this is about, all right? Now, before I get started, I want to say hello to all my viewers in the United States, Canada, UK, Netherlands, and India. What's up? All right, now, let's get to this unboxing, shall we? All right, my people. The name of this brand is APEVIA, okay? I guess you call it APEVA, all right? The model is Captain 550, and it is a ATX power supply. All right, now, before I go on, I'm gonna ask you to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it for whoever you think you would like to share this with, who could use this type of knowledge, all right? Now, let's do an unboxing. Now, anytime you get a more powerful graphics card, let's see if I have it here, like the one I showed you that I have. Anytime you get a more powerful graphics card, you want to check what are the requirements. For this particular graphics card, you needed a 500 watt power supply. The power supply I have in my computer is only 290 watts, so it wouldn't have powered this beautiful graphics card. You see what I'm saying? It wouldn't have done it. And a good example that you need a power supply to power it is right there. Okay. But like I said, all graphics cards are not going to need it. But once you get up to a certain standard and you start improving upon that, yeah, it will. So if you get yourself a graphics card, see the requirements, okay? Now, let's open this baby, shall we? Got it from Amazon. And you have an option of getting a power supply that has a lot of different colors on its cards, or you can get some specially made. Like if you want to design your particular computer in a certain way. You want it all one color. You want RPGs on it, however you want to do it. And here she is. Captain 500. That's right. Let's bust this baby open, shall we? Ah, yeah. I got it brand new, so it does come with a guarantee. You see the specs on it. And here she is. And I had to make sure it fits my computer, which it did. I did my homework. I Googled it, checked out YouTube, all right, as well as Reddit and some other places to make sure it was what I needed. Yeah, that's pretty. Look at that, baby. Got smooth edges. Oops. It's all black. All the wires are black, as you see. Comes with the fan. Nice. Look how pretty and smooth that is. Okay. Now, let's talk about this little baby a little bit, shall we? All right, so this only cost me, because it's on sale right now, with 30% off. This baby only cost me $31, okay? And the shipping is free from Amazon. All right, and it's 550 watts. Has all the cords you ever need. Okay, I also would advise you to buy yourself some zip ties. You'll need that. Okay, now this is it has a auto thermally controlled black fan. Okay, sweet. And it is also PCIe. Very important. All right. So this got 4 out of 5 stars on Amazon, which is really, really good. Okay. Now, with this, you also want to get something else. You want to get something called a 24 to 8 pin adapter. Your 24 and 8 pin adapter I got for $6.99. So I guess this is a double unboxing. And it's gonna look like this. Okay. And sorry if you're getting no background noise, it's really early in the morning. As you can see by my eyes. 24 to 8 pin adapter. You definitely got to have one of these when you get a more powerful power supply. You have to have it with the older model computers when you're upgrading, okay? I mean, the type I'm using, which is Dell Optiplex. Okay. Now, let's a couple things I wrote down here on my notes that I definitely, from my own personal experience, I want you to understand. Okay. One thing I would do before trying to put in a power supply, the most simplest things that most people don't do, take a picture. That's right, take no less than 2 pictures. When you open your box up, take no less than 2 pictures so you can see how all your wires are set up, okay? Yes, you're gonna have a little bit different once you put your new power supply in, which is not hard. It's super easy actually to slip it in and mount it in. It only takes 4 screws, okay? So make sure you take at least 2 pictures with your smartphone, Apple phone, iPhone, whatever you have. Take 2 clear pictures, at least 2. That way you have, and I'm just telling you from my experience, that's the way you know where how everything was set up. So if you're not happy with, how everything is going, you can go back to the original, put your other power supply in, and you already know how everything's set up. So boom, by taking that picture. Number 2, super important, make sure your computer is completely unplugged from any type of power, okay? And if you just now turning off your computer to put your power supply in, I will wait about 5 minutes, make sure there's no electricity running through your computer, because trust me, you don't want that to happen. You don't want to fry out anything, okay? 3, learn from my mistake. When I was in Seattle, I had to learn this mistake. If you got a carpeted floor, you got a lot of, this is winter right now, so if you got a lot of warm stuff on, beware of static, okay? Static could fry out something on your computer while you're working on it. Beware of static, that's super important. Now, if you're not tech savvy, but you need to do this, what I'm talking about, then what I suggest you do is find your local computer store, okay? Most of them are very personal, very helpful, and have them put it in for you at a reasonable price. If you don't have a local computer store, then I will go to the big chain. The reason I like the smaller local computer store, because you're not a number. You're not just a number, okay? You're a person with a name, okay? And a lot of them can give you a personal touch, and that's really, really cool. I've had computer stores actually give me extra things that I needed, I didn't know I needed, and put it in there, no charge, when they were fixing my computer in the past. So if you're not tech savvy, that's fine. Now, if you are tech savvy, I will have 2 videos in the description box linked to this video that I love, that shows you in detail, slowly and carefully, with perfect vision, okay, how to completely install your power supply to your Dell Omniplex, okay? It will show you in detail. And both of these guys go through it in detail, slowly, carefully, showing you everything that you need to do. If something goes wrong, showing you how to fix it. I mean, it's great, okay? And those 2 videos will be linked in my description box below. Now, in both their videos, they give you links to power supplies that fits your Omniplex tower, okay? And most of them are at a really good discount, good price. I checked them out myself, okay? So even where you can get your 24 to 8 pin adapter. I mean, they got everything listed down there, okay, in their videos. And I think that you'll enjoy it. I think it'll be a good hands-on experience if you're tech savvy, okay? But if you're not, like I said, hire someone else to do it for you, okay? All right, and that is my unboxing, okay? Captain 500 power supply that I bought on Amazon, 30% off for only $31 and free shipping. I didn't even need Amazon Prime. It was free shipping because it was over a certain amount. All right, so hope you enjoyed it, and I shall rap to you later. Peace.